just gonna get some snacks. I think I'm gonna get some tortilla chips, and Max is gonna have a tuna fish sandwich that Chelsea's gonna make because she's sweet. You wanna tell them what happened on our way here?
We got a ticket.
Who got a ticket?
We did.
We as a team.
So Chelsea's wearing her pom-pom earring.
Sweetie peeps.
Nice.
I love that.
Doggy.
Say he did.
Whoa.
Oh man, you just let her go.
Okay, I'm putting this dress down for a minute because I'm totally changing the direction that I'm going with. For it, I started to do a design after what I did just now, and then I realized I should probably put that spread out. I should probably put that further up. So I'm gonna go outside and see what Nana and Leah is doing. If you guys didn't know, I'm deadly afraid of snakes. So every time I come down here, I inspect the grass like a crazy person before I start walking. Are you guys planting?
Yeah, so we're planting the flowers that you guys gave us for Mother's Day, right?
You helping, Moo?
Yeah, you want to plant it in the ground? Yeah, go in the dirt. I'll go in that hole right here. Put it in this hole. Over here. Is that a good spot?
She's like, clean my hands.
Here, wipe it on my pants. There you go. There you go. Good job. Yeah.
So he's chilling out. Oh, I like the new garden plot.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you see a snake?
Good vegetables. That was a bird. Huh? Good? Yeah, right. Excited. Yeah, we can have vegetables this year, Leah? These are more spread out now. I think they'll be better.
Wow, yeah, tomato have a lot of room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Way too much. Right, Leah?
Is this the hot pepper or is this the bell pepper?
Those I planted just the green peppers.
Oh, okay.
I might get another pepper plant because I don't think the broccoli's gonna. The ones that the deer chewed off.
Oh, no.
Right there. I'm not dirty. Are you want me to hold this for you?
Hi, Chels.
Smell just like roses.
Wait, peonies? The P-E-O-N-I-S?
Yeah.
N-I-E-S?
Yeah.
Oh, those are pretty.
Yeah. Beautiful. But the ants have to eat the outside of them in order for them to bloom. You see the robin up there? The robin's up in the tree. He's up there. Robin, that's right. See the robin? Yeah. job. Yeah, you want to get the ball again?
See,
Throw it
the
to-
ball, Sadie.
Throw it for Sadie.
Here, can we give it to Leah? Come here, Sadie. Good girl. Good girl, Sadie. Get the ball.
Yeah, she got it. Yeah, good job, right? Good job, she got
Come
it.
here, Sadie. Come here, Sadie. Bring the ball, Sadie. Good girl. Okay, you come here. You throw the ball.
Good job. She's like, oh, I'm gonna get rid of this quick. You did it. Good job.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Where are you going? You gonna go on the dog cage? Oh, that's a good hiding spot. You're silly. Oh, you gonna take a nap?
Watch your head. Good job.
Maybe they have your 3-hour-long shows for us.
Deep in 100-acre woods, where Christopher Robin, Winnie the Pooh, Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, Pooh. Silly Willy Willy, all stuck with thought. He's Winnie the Pooh, Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, Pooh. A silly Willy Willy old bear. Hooray! Again? Yeah? Again? You want to sing it again? Yeah? What song do you want to sing? What song? Want to sing Pooh? Want to sing Pooh? What song do you want to sing? Pooh? Okay.
Sing a different song.
Winnie the, okay. Chitty chitty bang bang. Chitty bang bang. Chitty chitty bang bang. Chitty bang bang. Oh, you. Chitty. What song do you want to sing? Chitty bang bang, we love you. And our chitty chitty bang bang. No? What song do you want to sing? Up? Okay.
It's down.
You want to sing Pooh? No, she's just mad. Okay, I'll lay you down, sweetie. Oh my gosh.